delighted to be able to introduce a new library service called Pick and Collect. Initially it'll be for 9 library sites, but these were chosen because they're safe and controlled and enabled us to quarantine the books, as well as being in very busy locations and a good geographical spread across the county. Of course, we'll be following government guidance to make sure the books are cleaned and quarantined on return, and to ensure that we are following the best health and safety services to our customers and our staff. We're also providing the online services that are increasingly popular, and we're hoping to add to our Pick and Collect service in the coming weeks and months. The new service will be kept under review, and any change in guidance and local guidance will be refreshed and monitored.
The new Pick and Collect service will work by you being able to select 3 books, either by going to library online, by phoning the library, and then once you've selected your 3 books, we'll arrange a collection slot for you to come and collect them from the library. It doesn't have to be 3. If you only want 1 or 2, that's fine, but 3 is the maximum we're letting people take at the moment. When you come up to pick up your books, you'll be asked to follow social distancing outside of the library. Once you are told that you can enter the library, you will be socially distanced from the library staff. You will wait, and the library staff will bring your books over to you in a bag that has been pre-packed with your name on, your collection slot, and has been in quarantine for 72 hours. It's fine for someone else to collect your books, as long as we know the time of the collection slot, the number of the collection slot, and the surname of the person you're collecting for. When you return books to the library, we're asking that you book a slot so that you can come and drop your books off. You will still have to wait outside following social distancing. You'll be asked to come into the library. There are some boxes. As you enter the library, just tip your return books into those boxes and leave as quickly as you can. You can do both of these in the same slot. We would ask that you bring your return books, place them in one of the boxes when you've entered the library, and then we will bring your bag with your new books in, and you will take those books and leave. The ones that were books that were on the waiting list that were at the library before we had to close the library, if you give us a ring, we will arrange a collection slot for you to come and collect those. Other books that are on the waiting list, we are actually freezing the list at the moment, so you won't get those books, but we will leave you on the waiting list. Librarian's choice is for somebody that doesn't want to wait for the quarantine period to be able to collect their books. So the librarians have chosen some books from the shelves, they've got them ready, that they can just put them onto your ticket so that you can come and collect them at the first available slot. In the branches, we've got social distancing outside, we've got social distancing within the library. You will never be closer than 2 metres to a member of library staff, and we're asking everybody to sanitise their hands as soon as they come in.